Today, the warehouse team is extremely busy. First thing we're gonna do is meet Goyo. He'll be showing one of our newest employees how to put up a 10 by 10 tent. Second big project that we're gonna show you is how we clean and take care of some orders that came in. Now we have to make sure that it's clean, ready to set up for the next order. Stick around, and not only will we show you how we do all of that, but we'll introduce you to the entire staff. So we're gonna take you now to one of our senior employees who is going to be teaching or training one of our newest employees on how to put up a 10 by 10 tent.
Ok, aquí estamos entonces con uno de nuestros...
All right, pump the brakes now. I know 95% of you guys do not speak Spanish, so there's gonna be subtitles at the bottom, or your boy Eddie will be your translator for the day.
Sus empleados, él le está ayudando a otro empleado para aprender cómo se hace o cómo se arma la tent que es 10x10. Este es entonces Goyo, él va a hablar un poquito de lo que están haciendo el día de hoy.
Bueno, pues aquí le estoy enseñando a mi compañero cómo instalar una tent de 10x10. Le estoy dando los primeros pasos, que son pues arrimar lo que vamos a necesitar. Posterior se arma el cuadro, se ponen los cables, posterior ponemos la tapa. Ya le voy a explicar cómo se va armando paso a paso para que él pueda hacer su trabajo bien hecho y de la mejor manera.
Okay guys, a quickie with Eddie. Goyo basically said that he's showing his best friend how to put up a 10 by 10 tent, showing piece by piece. He's putting the corners, he's put the poles together, the cross cables, and he put the tent top on, and now he's going up with it to show him how it's all done.
We rented out some turf for an event. It was partied on, the client had a wonderful time, and now it's been brought back to us. Now we have to make sure that it's clean and ready to be shelved, maybe ready to set up for the next order.
So all this turf that you see behind me is mostly all this turf that came back from a super muddy job. Of course, you know, it was good until it started raining. The process we do is basically whatever needs to be power washed, then we go ahead and power wash it. The rest of it is just kind of like leaves and just kind of blowing it, you know, brushing it, just making sure it's crispy clean for the next event.
We'll just check out the work, see how they get everything done and how they get it cleaned up and roll it back up.
As you can see right there, my employee behind me, he's the one doing the brushing on the turf. So after we brush it and everything, then we go ahead and blow it for one last time.
Next stop is our load and dock area. We actually had some orders that came back in, and we want to show you how we take care of those orders that are returned as soon as they are returned.
So right now you're gonna meet the ladies, the Kellyettes. We want to get chairs, tables all cleaned up so they can get stored back up if that's what needs to be done, or if they need to go back out. We don't want them to go back out muddy or ugly, so that the other customer that's going to use them can enjoy them and they'll look good for their event. Aquí tenemos a Emily. Entonces, Emily es una de nuestras nuevas empleadas. Ella está ayudándonos a limpiar las sillas. ¿Y cómo te va entonces aquí en el trabajo por ahora? ¿Cómo te gusta?
Bien, está tranquilo.
Ok. ¿Y qué estás haciendo hoy ahora mismo?
Okay, it's your boy Eddie again with the quick translation for you guys. So basically, Emily here is telling our good friend, like, hey, I've been waiting 2 hours for my lunch break and this raise has not come in 2 months. What's going on? I'm kidding, guys. Really, she said that she's cleaning the garden chairs that the drivers just dropped off. That way they're ready to go for the next client.
Entiendo, sí, ya llegaron.
Sí, ok. ¿Y llegaron fue alguna orden especial o algo así o simplemente...?
Los choferes la traen, recogen las órdenes, ellos la traen, yo las limpio y vuelven a salir al día siguiente.
Ok. Gracias.
All right, guys, I hope you're enjoying the tour so far and meeting everybody and getting to hear from them. We're going to take you to another section of the warehouse. This is going to be our silverware section. So we're going to meet somebody that's very special because they handle that area and keep everything spotless. Stick around and we'll show you how we take care of all of our plates.
So here we are, guys. This is another section of the warehouse. This is where any utensils, plates, silverware, anything kitchen-wise, we actually take it back here and we make sure that it's clean, immediately polish, buff, so that, again, what we want to take care of is the next order already, so that these things can immediately go back out Here we have Livia. She's actually our employee of the month. Livia, ¿cómo está el día de hoy? Introdúzcase, por favor.
Bien, gracias.
Y estamos entonces haciendo ¿qué ahora mismo?
Limpiando cuchillos.
Okay.
Lavando el tiempo.
¿Esto fue alguna orden en especial que llegó o simplemente estamos limpiando para?
Es una orden que llegó. Todo eso es orden que llegó.
Okay. And I see that she has a little spot over here with all the things that she has to clean out. And then she's just gonna move along over here, get everything kind of clean, bring them over here to this table, dry it up, and then we just store it back up on the shelves. Or if it needs to go out to another order, we just make sure that everything's dry, clean, buff, that it's ready for the next order. ¿Cuánto piensa que va a durar entonces en esta etapa del...
En esto, una media hora, pero en copas y todo, nosotros podemos.
All right, another quickie with Eddie. As you see, our good friend Olivia is excited. She's cleaning some forks and some silverware, getting it ready for the next customer.
Totally. All right. So we'll leave Livia right now to continue her work, and yeah, but maybe we'll check in on her just to see how it's going along. Gracias entonces.
Gracias.
Me le dice adiós al público.
I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We're gonna continue right along, introducing you and showing you the rest of our support staff. Right now, we're going to a very special area of the warehouse, which is our linen department. Now we have one person also who is our hero. For this department, she takes care of everything. Make sure that all your linens that you get are not only washed and cleaned, but firmly pressed so that there are no hiccups with your event and everyone is just mesmerized. Stay tuned and we'll show you how we get that done.
Hola, soy Mayra.
Hola. ¿Y cómo le gusta el equipo, por ejemplo? Sé que es la empleada más nueva. ¿Cómo le ha gustado el equipo y los compañeros con quien trabaja?
Muy bien, son muy amables y son respetuosos.
Muy bien, y me encanta esta área, siempre es la área feliz. Mara siempre tiene música puesta y es algo que nos da alegría en el warehouse. ¿Tiene alguna emisora que prefiere o un tipo de música que prefiere ahora mismo?
La música pop.
¿Música pop? Sí, bueno, pues Mara siempre lo pone todo alegre aquí cuando ella empieza a trabajar porque siempre pone radio y se oye la música.
All right, guys, last quickie with Eddie. She's basically saying that she presses our linens, makes them look good, and listens to good music while doing it. And she presses over 110 linens a day. She's a working machine.
Así que gracias por todo lo que ha hecho y aquí tenemos a Mara entonces. Adiós.
Bye.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Snowy. I'm the warehouse manager here at Kelly Reynolds. Today was just the ordinary day that we do here every day at Kelly Reynolds. You got a little taste of drivers getting trained on how to do tents, to my linen lady, to my lady that washes dishes, another lady that does sanitizing and cleaning chairs, to my guys doing turf. Like I said, this is our ordinary day. It's all about having a good team and moving forward, and without a good team, you won't be able to do none of this. But like I said, you just got a taste of us. You know, if y'all need anything, just put it on the comments or whatever y'all want to learn about or want to see more into detail, let us know.
Thank you, and yeah, thank you for watching. Again, subscribe and comment, and yeah, let us know what you think.
See y'all next time.